against empini ungalwi ngenyama, you are going to fail. Ngoba izikhali zethu zokulwa akuzonezeni awazi wena, I'm going to show you my true color, you are going to fail. Ngeke usabutha kuwe ukuthi wena umntwana kaNkulunkulu wangena enyameni walwa ngayo, you are going to fail, because ungena enyameni uzokhuluma into yasezweni, uzothukana, uzozonda, yonke into ebheda, and once wangena lapho you are weakening yourself. Wenza ukuthi ube ubuthakathaka kuleli. Yembe awuyini ngamandla akho. Yembe awuyini ngamandla akho. Yembe ikhalisayo sinamandla through God. So your strength comes from God. This is God is namandla bazalwane ukuwisa every stronghold. Yini stronghold bazalwane? Yile part engqondweni yakho usathana ibambayo ukuze uhluleke. Wenzani? Wenza ukuthi akamazi mina akamazi kahle. Once the enemy finds his stronghold, he captures you. Mina nge-anger mina lapha ke kunana sabakhuluma inhlamba ngoba ngisepulpit. But umuntu ayikhuluma inhlamba, the minute ukhuluma inhlamba, in the minute uvula umnyango for an attack of the enemy. He captures us to control us. Usikontrola ngani bazalwane? Ngentukuthela, ngokwesaba, ngokukhathazeka. Uyazikhona abantu abakhuluma ngokukhathazeka kungazuthi bakhuluma ngento emnandi. Manje kuyabonakala ukuthi ngifranje. And I'm frustrated. I'm depressed. And in the limbs about depression, frustration, stress, and all these things. But the Bible tells us, so bhidliza the anger, so bhidliza the depression, so bhidliza. Because the more you're depressed, it is the more uvumela ukuthi izebhedayo zifike empilweni yakho. Why kwenzeka izinto ebhedayo ufundise empilweni yakho? Bheka impilo yakho yini into ovulile ukuthi usathana akwazi ukungena ngayo. Amini yazi uNkulunkulu akangithandi no. Ngeke kusabutha kuwena mhlanje kuseni awusithandi wena.